welcome back to today's video. Fun fact, I just filmed a whole video with no sound. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to start an automated online business and how those automations are going to give you your freedom, your time freedom, and your money freedom back. But before we do, I'm Cami. I am a 55-year-old non-techie person who actually hated tech before I started doing this business, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. But first, you got to know, at 55, I know that time is flying by fast. And it can seem even more so, especially if you're stuck in a routine that allows you little time to do the things that you want to do. But what if I told you that you could work 2 hours a day on income producing activities and have an automated online business that generated a full-time income with no fancy tech, no long hours, just a few simple steps to finally creating the freedom that you've been dreaming of? Does that sound too good to be true? Well, stick with me because I'm going to show you how possible it actually is. My story is that I was stuck working for commissions. I was working hard for $6 here, $2 here, and I was working really, really hard, literally all day. Even when I was on vacation, I felt like I couldn't relax much because I had to do emails, I had to shoot outfits. I felt like I couldn't miss a day. I was working for brands, and in my mind at the time, I was making the big money working for brands. And I really was, but it was costing me my life. And the more brand deals that I got, the busier I would become. I found myself sometimes thinking I could work 16 hours a day. 16 hours a day. I literally could go all day, all night. My emails were stacking up, and it looked like I was going to have to pay someone for my emails to run my emails and do all the deliverables and go through all of the signing the contracts and all of that. And did I really want to pay anybody? I thought maybe I'll just get more focused. I'll get up earlier, I'll get more done. But I was just then extending my work day and working harder and longer for commissions. I literally felt like a slave for brands. I was making brands a lot of money. I was working hard for them. And one day I thought, do I even really want to be working this hard? I'm 55 years old. Do I want to be working this hard into my 60s? I started realizing, what is my future going to look like? And I remember a light bulb moment went off. I remember years ago, I used to follow a travel blogger, and she would travel all over the world and she would blog about it. And I remember one time she created her own digital product, and it was a course on how to become a travel blogger. And she just, in that course, taught everything she knew for others who wanted to become a travel blogger. And it was, I can't remember how many hundreds of dollars it cost, but she was selling the heck out of those. And she made more money selling her digital product that she created one time, but sold over and over and over and over again. She became wealthy through this digital product and made more money with that digital product than she did as a travel blogger, being flown all over the world to different cities, different countries, different hotels, different sites. And I remember thinking, what a great idea to come up with a course based on your knowledge and then sell it over and over and over to literally the internet, the world. But I got thinking, I wouldn't even know how to create something like that. And even if I knew how to create something like that, what on earth would I make it about? I don't have a skill. I don't have any degree. I don't have an education. I have a high school education, but I would not know what even to make it about. So about a year ago, I saw someone leveraging done-for-you products online. She was literally selling digital products that she didn't create. And I thought, well, that's genius. Because if you think about it, this whole reselling of digital products, or it comes with a license called master resell rights. You have the rights to resell these products. And it's not anything different than like, I purchased my iPhone from Best Buy, but Best Buy didn't create that product. Best Buy is selling Apple's products. And I happened to buy one from Best Buy. Literally, Amazon made $574 billion in 2023 by selling products that were not their own, other people's products. Uber made $9.9 billion in 2023, and they don't own a single car. They are leveraging other people's products. It's a completely legal thing. So I thought to myself, if I can leverage other people's products and make 5-figure months, I am all in. So over the past year, I've purchased several different products. I call the last year my learning curve. I really kind of dove in, saw what was working, saw what wasn't working, learned a lot. And as I sold these products, I was attracting people who are my age, kind of roughly my age, midlifers who want to start making money online, who are looking towards retirement and maybe don't have, maybe they're not able to retire yet, or maybe they're worried about their bank account and how are they going to be able to retire if they stop working. And many people my age, in fact, many of my customers who purchased these done for you products that I was selling, some of them were so hard, and they were like serious college semester courses. And so sometimes people just, it was too much for them and they had wasted their money and they just let it go. It was too hard, so they didn't want to pursue it and they just let it go. And that makes me feel terrible, because when I take their money, I would love for them to have it upgrade their life in some way. I don't want people wasting their money on things, because we don't have money to waste these days. And I realized that some of the courses are very hard. But anyway, in April of this year, I came across a different program. And I remember looking into this program and thinking, if this is really what it says it is, this is just what people my age need. It is exactly what people my age need. They need more simple. They need more help me on social media. They need more, I can't do as much tech. That's exactly what this program is. And the cool thing is, it comes with 4 income streams right off the bat. You have 4 different products to sell. There is the $100 launch pad, the $300 passive daily pay, the $600 digital mastery, and the $900 legacy builder program. This legacy builder program is in high demand. It teaches people how to monetize their social media, how to sell a digital product online. That is in high demand. So many people want to make money online right now. They're looking for extra income that they can add into their regular day, maybe something on the side of their regular job, maybe grandmas who want to make a little more income sitting at home with their grandkids. And in my opinion, working for myself, I was able to make 100% profit, which is a lot different than selling a pair of leggings and making $6, or selling a lip gloss and making $6, or selling a t-shirt from Target and making 25 cents. So if you have something that you can sell, if you have a product that you can sell that's in high demand, people are going to want to buy from you. That is what the Legacy Builder offers in the 4 digital products that you can sell initially and instantly. And then you want to put your business on autopilot. This is where you're going to get all the free time back that you have been missing. This is where you learn how to set up your business on automation. And this is how you're going to be able to work just a few hours a day, and yet your automated system is out there on the internet and out there on social media, showing to the world 24/7. That's how you're going to make sales while you're sleeping. That's how you're going to make sales while you're on vacation. That's how sometimes I will make a sale while I'm at the movie with my husband. People go online and they search for things they want to find. They will go in and literally put a Google search in, how can I make money online? People are looking for this, and that is how you're going to get your business discovered. You will have a link that is out there working all the time, and people will come upon your link, and if they love it, they'll buy it, and if they don't, they'll scroll on by. But never once do you have to bother your friends and family. Never once do you have to get on a phone call and try and gain a customer. You use attraction marketing to bring people to your link that is living out there on the internet 24/7. And that is your job. That is how you work just a few hours a day on income producing activities and getting your link out there. And that is how you get customers. So if you're feeling stuck, please know that there is a way out, and it's a beautiful way. You do not have to be an influencer. You do not have to be beautiful. You don't even have to know anything much about tech. So if you happened upon this video and you're feeling that way, please know that this is a gift. I feel like that is the biggest gift I've ever gotten. In fact, I asked for it for Mother's Day and I told my husband, I know exactly what I want for Mother's Day. I want the $900 Legacy Builder program. And he didn't care that it was $900. He was just glad that he didn't have to think of an idea for me for Mother's Day. And it has paid for itself over and 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 over again. And I'm so thankful. It's been such a blessing in my life. And my whole mission and purpose now is to help others find a way to make an income online with done-for-you digital products set up as an automated business that runs 24/7 in the background of your life. So the key lesson here is that you don't have to have a skill to monetize. You don't have to have a product to monetize right now. You can create a full-time income leveraging other people's products. And then later, as you learn more about the industry, then you can branch out into your own thing. You can discover what you are really good at. What do you personally have to offer the world that you are passionate about or that you have a great skill in? And then you can create your own thing to sell or to monetize, but know that this is possible for you right now. And I have a simple guide, a free guide that teaches you how to use this blueprint to create money. And if you would like to look at that guide, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And act now, because I am looking for 10 more people to help this month get started on their own automated business. It is a blessing to be here. I'm so thankful that I get to share this with others. It's been such a gift to me and my husband and our finances and my time. I no longer feel like I'm working 16 hours a day. I only work a few hours a day on income producing activities, and then I'm done. And my business continues to work without me working it. What a blessing. It's all for me. It's not for brands anymore. It's all for me. It's not for a company. It's all for me. It's for my family. It's for our future. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.